Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You must have heard about fasting, but I am damn sure you haven't heard about social fasting. But don't worry, in this video I will explain what is the meaning of social fasting. So make sure watch this video till the end because at the end you will get a lot of new ideas. So let's start. Social fasting means we stay away from social media for one day. We don't use social media application for whole day. When people keep fast, they don't eat anything for a whole day. So similarly in social fasting also, we don't use social media application for whole day. So that is called social fasting. Do one experiment, and for this experiment you have to give 2 days. On first day, quit social media, uninstall all applications, and make sure your all notifications should be turned off, and block that website who distract you. And the next day, spend as much as time on social media. Use all applications like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and spend your whole day on internet. And do one thing, compare your levels of anxiety, productivity and creativity output. On first day, you will be more anxious, you will be less productive and you will never get any creativity output. You will get a lot of negative thoughts. Why? Because when you will use social media and when you will see the pictures of your friends, you will think they are enjoying their life and what I am doing. Their life is good, but my life is miserable. So you will get a lot of negative thoughts and you will go in depression as well. But the next day you will feel less anxious, your productivity level will increase and you will get a lot of creativity output and you will have a lot of time to do anything. Why? Because you are not using social media and you can spend time with your family, with your friends, you can read good books, you can listen to an audio books. So you will do whatever you can. You can work on yourself, you can do exercise and you can do meditation as well because you will have a lot of time to do anything. You will never get negative thoughts. Why? Because you are not seeing what others are doing. You will spend your time with yourself, with your family members. So try this experiment in your life at least once and definitely this experiment will help you and you will do something productive. So I hope you understood what is the meaning of social fasting and you will try this experiment in your life. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel because every day I share new ideas on my channel. And thank you for giving your valuable time. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye everyone.